Conflict can be defined as any situation where incompatible activities, feelings, or intentions occur together. Conflict is an everyday occurrence at home, at school, on the job, or anywhere there are people with different beliefs, values, and experiences. There are many ways in which conflicts can begin. Misunderstandings, embarrassment, hurt pride, prejudice, and peer pressures are just a few. Most of the factors or situations that lead to conflict can be classified as resulting from varied perspectives on the situation, differing belief systems and values resulting from personal background and accumulated life experiences, or differing objectives and interests. To make good decisions and effectively manage conflict in your life, you must be able to recognize the warning signs of a potential conflict situation. Most types of conflicts belong to one of 5 categories: relationships, data, interest, structural, and value. Using a process to manage the conflict and establishing certain ground rules will help you to resolve the issues peacefully. The basic steps in managing conflict are as follows. Prepare yourself to deal with the conflict. Find a mutually agreeable time and place. Define the conflict. Communicate an understanding. Brainstorm to find alternate solutions, and agree on the most workable solution. Use these phrases as an aid to help you remember the steps for effectively managing conflict in your life.